Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here, co-founder of NBC Trading Academy, which raised pre-market forecast for Monday, September the 21st. We're also going to preview the coming week. Let's look at our news items for this morning. We are loaded with Mr. Powell this week. We have Monday speaking. We have him speaking today, tomorrow. We have him speaking on Wednesday. And we have him also speaking and testifying on Thursday. So pretty much every single day this week, right around our trade session, we're going to have Mr. Powell in Washington. So this is going to make for a very interesting week. You have to be very careful during his speeches. He has a tendency to be able to push the market in any direction on any comment. So very, very interesting trading week this week to begin this week. We jump to our daily chart. As we can see, market coming off a huge down day. Remember, we had this triangle here. The market was holding, broke through, came back for that pattern of retesting the support area, expecting to continuation. But we had the two big down days until today. We find ourselves coming right back down to the 50% retracement from this particular run here, which began in June. See, we have our run here. I'm sorry, I could get one for it. Yeah. From this run here, I measured the fib. We're exactly at a 50% retracement. Now we do have another support, a resistance level here where the market can retest, but that would be kind of like the danger zone. If the market wants to get a little below the 80, it would just possibly be to there. Otherwise, the market's going to retrace strongly and quickly below the moving averages. So keep your eyes open for that. Today, we have clearly our resistance here at the 80. Support and our resistance at the 50 SMA. Again, another pattern we've been through before. We just have to watch those particular price levels right there. Let's take a deeper dive. As we can see how the market on the downside kind of blew through very significant support areas on the way up. If you notice, the market came off the all-time highs that it created. It kind of found this bottom, has been holding this bottom for a while. Market clearly breaks through in the last several sessions. Market creates this trend line to the downside. That's what's holding the market up. Anything below here, we're expecting more continuation down. Anything above this is potentially another attempt to move higher. Right here is our representative 80 SMA right here. This is the 80 SMA as our bottom. So you have to keep an eye on that. That's a very key level, guys. Very key level. If it breaks strongly through there, all hell's going to break loose, to be honest with you. So keep your eyes open for them. Reference to trading today, what are we looking at as far as positions? Today, again, we find ourselves, this is below the intraday low of Friday, so we have a big down day. We find ourselves below it. We're breaking this triangle here. It's compression triangle. This is our next support level. It would be a test, again, akin to the 80 SMA on the daily. This is the 80 SMA on the daily. So again, that's the key there. That's our key support for the day. Anything below there, you expect an acceleration. If the market holds and continues to come up here, this is when you're going to find resistance. Hopefully we can do one of these guys and we can go right back to retesting at least the minimum. But that's where we are today. But remember that everything that you do today is based on Powell. Please, please, please be responsible. Do not try to guess what he's going to say or make decisions based on what he says or didn't say. Let the price action dictate what you do. Have a great session. Let me know if you have any questions.